Should you buy Hyperliquid? What is Hyperliquid about? Is this going to be the next biggest crypto for this next bull market? There are some big things taking place on Hyperliquid right now. We're going to talk about it in this video. So if you guys want to know about what this Hyperliquid coin is about, it's rising into the top 10. It's overtaking a lot of coins right now. There's a lot of stuff going on with Hyperliquid. We got to talk about what it is, what it's about. Should you buy? When should you buy? Should you sell? In this video, we're going to talk about it. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. You're going to want to stick around to the end. We're going to do some technical analysis. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on how you can trade it and make money with this coin. So if you take a look here at this chart, it is a very, very strong chart. And since the market has bottomed and everything crashed in January, Hyperliquid is now up 300%. It is up 300%. What is so special about this coin? Well, it is a perp dex. It is a perp dex. And you can essentially trade leverage on pretty much everything on this platform. I personally do not like the platform. I don't think it's a good platform to trade on, but it is a really good product. It is a really good product. And they are the first ones that have the SpaceX IPO. So if you guys want to trade the SpaceX IPO, it's already live. You could literally trade it on leverage here. But here's the thing. People are speculating on the SpaceX price. I would not trade this on leverage. You will probably get liquidated very quickly. But Hyperliquid is allowing a lot of things before they come public to be traded, and you could speculate on it. And that's why this is such a great product. But I think Hyperliquid was early and one of the first ones to do this, but there's much better products out there. There's much better products out there. And Wall Street does not like this because guess what? Wall Street is coming for Hyperliquid's perp crown, as Arthur Hayes said. This guy named Arthur Hayes, he was a big proponent of Hyperliquid, and he just sold all of his Hyperliquid just about a week ago. And since then it has crashed. So the product is great. I think there are better products, but I think that this is going to be a good buy later on this year. Right now it's too high. You never want to buy anything, in my opinion. Yes, and if you guys are short-term traders, there are some moves, profits to be made, but it's very risky. I think Hyperliquid is a good long-term play, but not at this level. You want to come down to support. You see how every single time Hyperliquid, right now it's being hyped up because of the SpaceX IPO. So people are buying it, people are going crazy, but I think Hyperliquid probably comes back down to support here. This would be the time to buy, maybe $30 to $40. Right now it's $64. I think that this could be a good entry. And if Bitcoin makes another leg lower, which is likely if it continues to follow the 4-year cycle fractal, Hyperliquid will probably pull back, and it's most likely going to pull back here very soon after it has pumped up so much with the SpaceX IPO. So the SpaceX IPO is really hyping this coin up a lot because it was the first one to be able to do it, but it's going to come down, I think, in the near short term. I think it's a good product and it's going to be around for a while. So I think it's a good buy, and I think it's going to continue to maybe push up. This could be a good buy when the market crashes, but you want to wait for Hyperliquid because it doesn't follow Bitcoin. It doesn't follow the majority of cryptos. It does its own thing. It has its own ecosystem. It's not on Binance, where every single coin that's listed on Binance is a part of the Bitcoin algorithm. So if Bitcoin crashes, that coin crashes. But Hyperliquid has its own ecosystem, and that's why even when cryptos crash or they're going lower, Hyperliquid's going higher. Not every crypto can do that. So I would wait to buy it, but I think it's a great product. You guys should be aware of it. You guys should certainly be aware of it. I think the SpaceX IPO, which is this week, everyone's buying and using Hyperliquid. It's like a buy the rumor, sell the news event. It's going to crash it. It's going to crash it. But I do think the bounce is going to be very big and strong, probably by October. According to the 4-year cycle, Bitcoin should bottom in October, somewhere near October. And I would wait for that. I'd personally wait for that. Now, Hyperliquid, you do need to use a VPN. I don't like it because the leverage is very, very small. You can only use 5x on certain pairs, 40x. And I recommend using Blofin. This is where me and my community do all of our trading. And you can also trade the SpaceX IPO here. You can subscribe for the SpaceX IPO, but you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. And you can also enable hedge mode. So if you are trading leverage, you can have a long position and a short position at the same time, so you can never be liquidated. Hyperliquid does not offer that. And that's why I think there are much better products out there. An exchange that only allows you to do one position of each, like you can only long or you can only short, and it's only up to 40x on most pairs, is not for you. You want an exchange that has cheaper fees. Blofin has way cheaper fees, sometimes zero spot fees. And you're gonna get VIP 1 if you use my link. And they're giving away $50 for the first 50 people. So check that out. Join my community. It's also free, so you guys can know exactly when we're buying and selling our coins. I'm going to give you guys a buy alert in my community. So join that as soon as possible when it comes. So we're waiting for Hyperliquid. I believe there's gonna be a good buying opportunity in the near future. Yes, in the short term, Hyperliquid can keep going up. It's a very bullish coin, but I think I would personally wait for a pullback. And this could be one of the biggest coins this next cycle. So we're ending this cycle now. We're beginning a new cycle, and it's gonna start at the end of this year, the fourth quarter. According to the 4-year cycle, that's when the new bull market's gonna start. And I think Hyperliquid probably gonna be in the top 3, top 4, top 5 as a crypto coin. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.